Call smoke on, off brakes now, burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you'll notice the smoke is no longer visible while the engines are in afterburner. The smoke comes on as Commander Kessel calls for the deselection of afterburner. Pulling through the horizon, he rolls the formation 180 degrees to the upright position, completing the half QD. As the Diamond accelerates in descent, they'll acquire the necessary airspeed for their next maneuver. The Diamond will experience up to 4 times the force of gravity as they perform this looping maneuver. Back to the right, Blue Angel number 5 is rolling and will complete the dirty roll on takeoff. To the left, Blue Angel number 6 is rolling, and he'll execute a precise low transition, then roll his aircraft 180 degrees and exit the flight line inverted to the right. With relatively slow speed flight, they'll give you an opportunity to get a close look at the precision flying that produces the 18-inch wind-to-canopy separation between these two aircraft. From the right, the Blue Angel Diamond.
Watch how close the planes are, Elena, to each other.
The sensation of weightlessness.